kind of flower to Ashton. What kind of flower is it and why?
Bigay mo lang kanina.
I think I said it before, but I would give Ash, like I just gave her kanina, a white rose talaga. Because for me, I think a white rose is the most beautiful flower talaga. It symbolizes...
Ito yun, Andres.
Ito yun.
For the
Bigay
visual.
talaga ni Andres to kay Ashton ha. Hindi siya part ng props. 100 ba to?
Direct wala sa script yun eh.
100?
Hindi 100,
Okay.
pero... yan. Yeah. I would say white rose talaga. Kasi for me, a white rose has so much more meaning to it than just like, halimbawa, a red rose, you know, it symbolizes like love and all. But I think the nice thing about a white rose is it's deeper than love. It also shows like purity and all. So I would say white rose.
Sorry, na-memo lang ako natanggap.